Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that render token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, render is a decentralized network that functions as a global marketplace, connecting users who need GPU computing power for tasks like 3D rendering and AI with providers who have ideal graphics processing units GPUs. It is a decentralized GPU marketplace, often called the Airbnb for GPU compute. It matches supply and demand for purchasing power without a central intermediary. It powers real creative and AI work. The network is used for rendering graphics for film, VFX, and increasingly for AI models training and inference workloads. It uses a unique token model. The render token facilitates payments and network governance through a burn and mint equilibrium mechanism. Render project institution rating is 4.5. Render token total supplies around 533.5 million and circulating supplies around 518.74 million. Render token Render token is listed on popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.